Alright, welcome to our hotel room here at Disneyland Explorer Lodge. This is the entryway. Ay! Ba't namatay? Yung card! Brown out sa Disneyland! Pagpasok mo kaagad may mirror na malaki. Yan ang maganda. Kita mo kaagad. At dito naman sa area na to, ito ang ating closet na actually medyo meron lahat kayong bathrobe at kahit maliit na bata, may size. First time ko itong makapag-check-in na experience kaya may laundry bags, may mga tsinelas na kahit sa maliit na bata ay meron din. O, diba? Okay. Ngayon, pagpunta mo dito, meron dito sa mga cabinet na mga... Oh! Meron na naman! Oy, dito nyo lagay yung laundry nyo. Nagpa-housekeeping kasi. Second night na namin to. Nagpa-housekeeping kami kaya lahat may refill.
Oh my!
And then, look at this. Meron na naman. Separate got another one. Okay, Daniela, that's yours and your mom laundry. Okay. Okay. Here on this side. Okay. Dito meron siyang blower. As in, nilagay ng blower. Extra towels. And then, ang kanila, pencil case again.
Yeah,
Sep, you can have it. Because ating has got the first one. Open it. What's inside? Wow! Meron na naman tayong kape. Joke lang. Meron tayong shaver, comb. Can I see the pencil case? Wow.
This is mine now.
Okay. Then they have the toothbrush again for kids. Diba? And then, meron pa silang... Yeah, that's yours now because the first night at Daniela got it. And then toothbrush, toothpaste, and that's it. And then soap na naman, facial wash. Wow. Facial wash, mga bimpo, tapos yung lagay nyo ng toothbrush nyo. And Explorer ang dating nito. I just want to document this because this is our first time na meron pa talagang pang close-up na mirror. O, diba? And then, right here, ito pong ating banyo. Oh, ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda dito kasi ginamit ko yung conditioner. Ang ganda ng conditioner at shampoo. At ang bango-bango ng body soap. Yan. On this side, ito pong ating shower. Ang lakas ng shower, parang ulan talaga. And dito, ang daing tissue. At saka ito, ito cute to. Sanitary napkin, okay? Na lagayan ng plastic. Sa minibar, ipipress mo lang to, lalabas na yung water. Okay. Unlock mo muna tapos, if you want water, ilagay mo lang dito ang water. And click it kung anong ay! Naku, teka lang, stop. Ang dami pa lang na ilagay. Okay. And then you can drink na. Ang cute na mga baso. Meron ding ice kung gusto mo maglagay din ng ice kung mag-order ka. Inom muna ako. Oh. Ang sarap ng tubig. Okay naman. Coffee maker. Meron tayo itong decaffeinato at mga creamer. Here, andito naman yung mga tsaa. At mga iba pang mga extra utensils. Okay, right here naman, or mini fridge. And you can order food and drinks, whatever. Alright. Now, okay, right here, let's go to the main room. Ito actually, we just ordered this an ironing board. Pwede naman yun siya. Oh, wow. Okay, dito tayo sa entertainment. Yan. Meron tayo ditong TV malaki. Parang 50 plus inches. Okay? Can you open Sep? This one. What's inside? Nothing. Okay, next. This is nothing. What about under there? We have here extra pillows. Okay, Sep, what about the other cabinet? The other cabinet, is the bolt. Alright. Close everything, Ate Sep. This is the aircon controller on the side. Okay. Look at the chair. Oh, ang ganda. And then, are these drawers or no? No. And then, meron tayo dito parang vanity table na may tissue. So, kung gusto mong mag-makeup at may upuan din naman na maganda. And that's it. Alright, now let's show the bed. That's for the stamp tomorrow. And then they have games for the kids. Ay, okay. Naku, meron pa tayong ditong discount pala nito, hindi tinagamit. Actually, meron sila nung parang mini booklet na you can write. Asa na yun, Chef? And the telephone and the door. Then look at this. Oh, the pillows are now different. It's with the designs. Okay? So, this is Minnie Mouse side. Tinan nyo naman, may Minnie Mouse dyan. And then, this time, meron naman dito si Mickey Mouse. O, diba? And then, ang pinakamaganda sigurong part nitong ating hotel tour is meron talaga siyang ready na saksakan. Sa Hong Kong kasi, ganun siya, oh. Meron silang free na adapter. Okay. So, ito naman yung bed. How's the bed, Seprin? Do you like the bed?
Yes.
Okay. Kasi the bed is very, very soft. And look at the view outside. Look at the outside, oh. Ang aming view is the garden. Diyan ata ako nag-jogging kanina. O, iba pa ba to? Parang iba pa to. Parang dito yung jogging ko.
Yan yata yung sa gilid, yung sa harapan eh.
Oo, parang ganun pa, no? So, overall, ito ang impact ng room. Yan, malaki siya. Para sa 4 na tao, no? Malaki siya.
Pati the bed, kung bata.
Lalo na kung bata kayo.
Balik
Ay.
bata pa kasi, ano siya.
Sobrang komportable kayo. Okay, that would be all for the remembrance of this wonderful experience here at Disneyland Explorer Lodge.